Okay. I'm streaming with the help of my work MacBook Pro, and hopefully it won't kill my Arch Linux machine. How do I share this link? Oh my gosh. I don't know how. Wait, where do I get the link to the stream so I can share it on Twitter? Hey, Aram. So I'm trying to find the link to the stream. It's going really well. So I can tweet about it. Where is my own stream? No idea. How to find my own stream. URL. Live? Okay, now I got the link. So, and then I go on Twitter. I can do this. Trying a live stream out this Sunday morning before breakfast. Okay. So, what did I want to do? I wanted to check out GitHub and see what this is all about. And code spaces actually is interesting to me. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, I want to try out cache. And yeah, I'm using GitHub Copilot actually. I've got like this Vim configuration. Sorry, if I could only type properly. Check this out, right? This is how Copilot works. Hello world. Actually, let's go. Form to ask a user what his favorite programming languages. Okay, you see what I mean? This is Copilot. It's freaking amazing. What is your favorite language? Head, body. Demo.php? Interesting. What is your favorite language? What was I going to suggest? Radiohead, radio, PHP, Perl. And this is actually good code, you know, I think. It's good code. Where's my Go? Oh my Lord. See, this is, I really like this for some reason. Okay, where's Go? Oh my Lord. Where's, okay, now it's repeating itself. Actually, I wouldn't have written it quite like this. I probably would have done a form label. Yeah, but you can see I'm a Copilot fanboy. Yeah, I think I have. I fixed it by simply using my work MacBook Pro. So now my Arch Linux machine. Sorry, my font is really small. My Arch Linux machine basically outputs to HDMI, which gets captured by this thing I have called a bird dog. And then the bird dog goes into OBS on my Mac, and then it goes up to the YouTubes. So now, as you can see, I'm living the life of luxury here with a load average of 0 point something. Yay! Arch Linux for the win. Hope you guys can all see that clearly. Hopefully you can see me clearly. Hello. Oh, please guys, it'd be great to know what brings you here this morning. Where are you in the world? Ko, are you in Singapore? We're about in Singapore. Yeah, what are you doing this morning? Oh, what are we writing? Well, I was writing my Vim editor. To be honest, I've been using Neovim lately, and I've been going full retard by basically configuring. I'm moving from like a Vim config to a Lua Neovim config. So I do feel a little bit. Yeah, this is actually I'm still using Vim script here. So basically, I have a couple of lines here like Lua require plugins, and that basically boots up this stuff, this gnarly code, this Lua code. So I'm writing my Neovim pretty chronically, and I'm trying to perhaps use LSP config. So there's a few things I'm trying to figure out actually. And then there's one elephant in the room. I want to figure out some JavaScript problem that I've had. Actually, I just want to fix this problem. Let me explain this problem to you guys so you can call me an idiot or something. So here, let me explain this problem. You can follow along too, if you like. The problem I want to solve So New Jersey, USA, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Cool. Okay. Good morning, Charlie. Figure out an IDE problem, and then write Neovim. Okay, so this is the problem I want to solve. So let me introduce the bug. The bug was that I thought this duration property was on response, but it turned out it wasn't, and that meant that duration wasn't being outputted, and then this whole metric to basically capture errors in this URL fetching code wasn't working. So basically I was not seeing errors, all because of a very silly bug here. Usually I think JavaScript throws if this thing doesn't exist, but it wasn't throwing for some reason, or maybe it was throwing and I wasn't catching. I really hate error handling in JavaScript. I just don't get it. I much prefer Go, you know. Maybe I should have had a try catch right here. That was the element of my problem. But anyway, let me introduce. So that is the bug. The bug is that I had put it on the wrong thing. But the thing that I find annoying. Okay, let's launch up Visual Studio Code. Yeah, whatever. Wouldn't you expect Visual Studio Code to say that this error object doesn't have, or this error response object doesn't have a duration? says any there. Any. What does any mean? Do I need to load up, oh, Tobias, poor soul. You only know how to echo hello world. Okay, you need more in life. So, yeah, how do I stop this problem here? It doesn't have any strong typing. Is there a way to make this app aware of the types? I mean, how do people code in JavaScript? Like, if you don't know what the parameter, I honestly thought the development environment in JavaScript was really good, but now I'm using it and I make these mistakes and it just irritates me because in Go, if you're editing Go, there's no way the editor would tell you that you're using a method or property that doesn't exist because of the strong typing. The prime gen. Who's that? I'm going to Google something and then hopefully I'm not going to be, someone's tricked me. Netflix. Vim with me. What's this? Types. Interesting. Does this guy rice? Oh, he rises. Oh, definitely he rises. Oh my god. Git work tree. Debugger harpoon. What's that? Never heard of that. Vim inspect P. Some sort of debug thing. Ah, interesting. What's harpoon? Don't know what harpoon is. I feel like writing a bug report on VS Code. It's that stupid. Let me try it. Let me. Where does one get support from on VS Code? Okay, this is you're gonna watch something pretty dumb now. Let me take a screenshot. Notice I'm using D menu here. Okay, so it's uploaded to my S3 bucket. It's there. Now, VS Code bug issues. Why does my VS Code suck so hard? Ooh, holy shit. 100,000 bugs? Can't even say that. Where does one get help? I don't really want to file a bug. Okay, help. Feedback, request a new feature. Yeah, how do you request a new feature? Oh god. Ask to have a question. Feedback channels. Oh, this is cut the maze, isn't it? It's like corporate Gitter channel. Well, people still use Gitter. Oh, there is a Slack workspace. Code. Okay, I could use Twitter. Let me try Twitter. @code. How do I make the editor aware there is no error dot duration dot, what was it? Error dot response dot duration. And then save me hours of my life in future. How do I make the editor aware there is no error response duration? Okay. That's how I roll. I ask people questions. Rofi. What's Rofi? I've never even... Wait, no, I think I know what Rofi is. Do I know what Rofi is? Why is my Alacrity bloody default font so small? Oh, maybe I should make that 15. I don't know, is that better? Rofi, do I have that? I think Rofi is the rice option. I don't use the rice option. JS doc style annotation in the comment. JS doc. To be honest, I don't know JavaScript or TypeScript very well, so I don't even know. I think I saw. AJ. I think I saw something by AJ. Oh man, AJ O'Neill. He did something about JS doc. Beyond code JS doc. Vim. Yeah, I don't know. Avinda, if you got any tips, let me know. Well, I kind of wish, I feel like a traitor to use Alacrity, but it just works as expected for the most part. In case you're on Twitch and you can comment there in the chats, log in and talk to the Prime Gen. Yeah. Okay, I will, Tobias. You've had luck. Oh, 2. You've had luck on the GitHub issues page. Okay. Okay, so that's the problem I want to solve, I think. I just also, okay, the test. The other thing I want to figure out is I just want to get like auto imports and that sort of stuff working. And Michael Lingenbach has been very helpful in this sense. He's given me an interesting test. So basically, I want to rice my Neovim so that I can actually do this. Okay, so time to figure this out. Make the JS import aware. Okay, this is my test. Okay. Then what do I need to do next? Okay, Lodash. I hate that program. Types. You see this is what I'm thinking. I might be missing with Axios. If I install Axios types, does everything start to work? So I don't know. Okay. Okay. Is my LSB info working? Okay, yep. It is working. So if I go debounce, debounce. Then I save. Why doesn't it do the auto imports? What am I missing? Why doesn't it complain? I think I'm ready to go here. I got all this Neovim stuff. I got Neovim LSP config. I got okay, this is another problem I have. Why doesn't this work? Am I forgetting something? I just don't understand. Why? Okay, what I wanted my Neovim to do is do the auto import. So basically, it should include debounce here, I think. Just to prove it to you, I'm just gonna. I think VS Code is able to figure this out. Oh, bugger you. Never mind. So I save this in VS Code. Yeah. Maybe. Okay, I don't understand what's going on here. Maybe I need like a JS config for the auto imports. Why doesn't this? Cannot use input statement outside of a module. I don't know what that means. T-Max 16. No, you're not a bad person. You're going to take the drugs, aren't you? You're going to take the cure. So the real challenge is making. Basically, I suck at JavaScript. I want my editor to basically do things for me, like avoid these errors, avoid syntax errors. Why can't the bloody editor just notice that I don't have debounce in the import? What? It doesn't show me any errors. Ah, yeah, this is elite hacker stuff in the sense that I don't know what I'm doing. Why? Have I failed to read instructions? Auto imports works. Does it? Don't use Podman. Okay, here's another test. Let's do another test. Let's use Michael's thing. Yeah, what? Let's use. Where's Michael's thing? Huh? So I'm using Docker to launch up other people's Vim configuration. But this is not what I wanted to see. I wanted to see that. Okay, this should allow me to. I wonder if there's a way of executing bash and then changing directory. There's probably a way, but I don't know how to do that. Okay. So if I go te dot and go source. So does Michael's thing It was working the other day, I swear to God. You know what? I think I know what the problem is. I didn't run npmi. I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Did anyone tell me I should have run npmi? No. Thank you, guys. Thank you, elite watchers of my stream. You didn't tell me to run npmi. Okay, now it's probably going to work. It's probably going to work now, isn't it? Safe. No, it's not working. This is great. Having it. How many node modules do I have? Just some simple ass dependency. 8.5 meg. Okay, it's pretty bad. Where did tags come from? Don't remember writing tags. Did you? Must have been the editor. Okay. Now. Ah, man, it still doesn't work. Oh, I did run npmi, didn't I? God damn it. I'm so confused. Oh, look. Okay, now it actually... What the fuck? Yeah, I actually did run npmi. I forgot about that. I did run npmi, I think. Sorry, this is the worst stream ever, isn't it? Because I don't know what's going on. Michael, I'm gonna... What's going on here? What's going on? Okay. Lost the plot. I've lost the plot. That's what happened. Kind of gives me some errors, doesn't it? No. Just when I think it's working, it doesn't. It just stops working. I don't know what to say anymore. Give up. I go back to Go. The prime gene, sorry, the prime. Okay, let's have a look at his stream. Twitch.
That's a straight off the press opinion right there. Yeah, again, personal opinion doesn't represent anyone else's opinion. Yeah. Yeah, that's
He's just chatting like I am. 36-hour charity stream. Father of 4. Well, anyway, I think I pointed out that for some reason my JavaScript environment just doesn't work. I mean, I've riced my setup and it doesn't work. That's writing for you. What else can I mess around with? I wonder if I should bother even publishing this. What the hell's in the README? Oh, yeah. Tempted to try on a different computer at this point. Let me do another sanity test. Just one more test. Test. Okay, here we go. Yep. 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 LSP info. Yep. Deep. What the? Method. Okay. Oh, I like this documentation. Okay, now it works. Why not write my DWM? Because my DWM works. I did actually change something in DWM recently. What did I do? I think I put a rule for Stallone tray. So I made a change to DWM this year. Normally I wouldn't have made a change. Okay, that works. But what did I do? I did a debounce. I did a control enter. Well, this is kind of crazy, isn't it? Sorry guys, that's probably a bit small for you. Let me see. I'm just trying to work out how the auto completion works here. Control enter. I just stumbled upon that. I mean, am I supposed to? I'm done with COC. What's it called? Conqueror of completion. Everyone, we should read my blog. This one. Read my blog, everybody. What is going on here? Why? Oh, sorry. I don't get this. Control enter, perhaps. I choose to. Ah, okay. I choose. I did a. What did I do there? Control enter. I choose it, and then documentation's nice. I really like that. Wow. Okay, so I kind of know how it works there now. So if I do the same again. Sorry, make it big for you guys to be able to read. Okay, now it works. Okay, let's see if I can replicate this in my own non-dockerized Neovim. Huh? Sorry, I lost my place. Now, what did I call it? Oh my god, what is my temp? The temp is probably looking like a train wreck. The problem I want to solve. Yeah, here we go. No. That's not what I wanted. Sorry. Okay, the temp directory is kind of like showing my soul. Is that where I was in? Okay, index.js. Okay. This is a read-only file. Oh great. The beauty of Docker. Docker for the win. Okay. Ooh. Make my font big. Okay, let's fix the permissions. Please fix the permissions. Okay, this is me. Okay, that's weird. I've got the tier server here, but it doesn't seem to complete. Okay, Control X, Control O maybe. Control X, Control O. Control X, Control O. Control X, Control O. Well, this is pretty insane. I don't know what's going on with my editor. Okay, why didn't this work? Why didn't this work in Visual Studio Code when I tried it 20 minutes ago? Go away. Go away. Control. Yeah. Oh, it does work. You have to do a control space. It's weird, like Control Enter, nothing. Controls. Oh, okay, I haven't got okay, it's bound to Copilot. Okay, that works. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, Visual Studio control space. But my one doesn't work at all, so that does not make me happy. I'm missing something. So my Vim my Neovim configuration is my dot files. I think if anyone wants to see where I've gone wrong here, perhaps I've got. Where's my LSP setup? I don't use these things. That should probably be removed. You know what could be the problem is that. No, that's not the problem, is it? These are the plugins I'm using. All of them. Actually, I must admit, I don't even know what NVim tree shitter does. I think I knew, but I completely forgot. What does it do? What is tree setter? Okay, create a AST or whatever that is called. Yep. So what? Highlighting in Vim has always been alright for me. Traditional highlighting left. Tree setter highlighting right. Left, right. Okay, so more things like functions and whatnot are highlighted. Is that the case? I don't know. How do I even know that? How do I know that even works? I guess things are more colored. You know, I'm not too sure if I like colors sometimes. The thing is, the thing I'm worried about when writing is that like I feel like if I'm adding so much features to my editor, then basically I'm relying on my editor, and then my brain is going to just naturally stop thinking about how things. Like my brain won't be doing what an editor could do, to be honest. My brain won't be focusing on my typos and things like this. I'd be relying too much on my editor. But man, I need to augment myself because I make mistakes. And as I mentioned before, that this response duration problem that I had before cost me 2 hours of my life that I want to get back. I never want to repeat. All because the editor didn't tell me this object didn't exist. Okay, whatever. So this tree shader just gives me more colors. Oh well, whatever. I don't know why my LSP config doesn't work. LSP info. TJ, yeah, I was watching a TJ video. Hey Gustavo. Hey guys, where you? Let me take a break from this because I'm getting depressed. Tobias is in Sweden. Where are you guys? Where's Mei Mei? Who's in Singapore? And who's in the rest of the world? Tell me where you guys are from. To be honest, I don't really understand the point of telescope. What's the point of using telescope, guys? It looks weird to me. Oh, actually, I wouldn't mind getting Control P working in my Neovim configuration. Does telescope do Control P? Oh, Control P does work. Nice. I don't even remember setting up Control P. Like, how does Neovim even work? I don't have, but Control P works. That's great. I bound Vim to Neovim, by the way. It's nice. It doesn't need. I wish it didn't. Don't know why it's showing me no modules though. That's kind of stupid. How come Control P works? Neovim, Control P is integrated? Actually, I don't know what. When in doubt, ask maybe. Is Control P integrated into Neovim? Actually, I need a. Okay, telescope is fuzzy. Yeah, I like fuzzy. I just want things to be sensible. Like, don't show me the node modules, guys. Just don't show me it. I don't want to know. I'm surprised my Control P bind works. Hey, Mei Mei in Florida. Florida. I think Florida has a Hendry state. Something like that. I always want to go to. I want to go visit the other Hendrys. The other Hendrys in the world. Hey, Brazil. There's a guy in Brazil that I've been messaging. He's pretty cool. He's been kind of helping me figure out things. Marcio from Rio de Janeiro. To understand the high rates of COVID vaccination in Brazil, just remember that an old Brazilian proverb: for free, even a forehead injection. For free even? I don't really understand that. But I love proverbs and idioms and wise sayings, nuggets of wisdom. Control P is not integrated. Palestine, wow. I visited Palestine once. Let me show you my Palestine pictures. I think I've got Palestine pictures, yeah. I think one of my, Jesus Christ. One of my, okay, this doesn't look like, one of my oldest YouTube videos, I think, is me in Palestine. What's it called? It's, what are those little crispy chickpea things called? How do you spell Ramallah? Ramallah. Okay, then I spelled it correctly the second time. Yeah, falafel. Shit. This is one of my oldest videos. 16K views. That's one of my best videos ever, right? Video I took in Ramallah. Sie waren wie kaputten. I went when ich war. I was there. You traveled where it was broken. What does that mean in English, please? They drive like broken. I was there. Oh, like the drivers are bad. Okay, well, you know, come to Singapore if you want to see some bad drivers. Oh, here, this is me in Israel. I must say Israel was one of my favorite trips. It was so incredible out there. Oh, this is somewhere in Palestine. There's real tension there. But I think if you're an Israeli, then, or a Palestinian, you probably get pretty tired of it. So many angry people. That's my friend. Notice the DebConf t-shirt. DebConf for the win. Okay. Sorry, back on topic. Yes. What? I don't have Vim installed? Okay, this is where it gets really funky. Wait a minute. What is going on here? Okay, what a Now it works. Okay, whatever. I must have some messed up thing. Israelis come as aggressive? Oh, man, I've met some really awesome Israelis. Especially when I was backpacking in India. Oh, look at that, red hat. In India, it was awesome meeting Israelis. I think this is supposed to be Banksy. I don't really know. Ich bin ein Berliner. Some of the art was actually pretty rad. I had my best bagel. Did I take a picture of that bagel? Oh yeah, we went to this like weird fort. Look at me in the Dead Sea. Hey man, that was such an incredible trip. I loved that trip. Oh yeah, how's this bagel? This bagel's so intensely good. Don't know what this is. It was great. Oh yeah, this is the falafel making guy. Oh, there's some pilgrims from Nigeria or something. Oh man, I really miss travel. I really miss travel. Okay, I need to. I think there's a way of Okay, let's start in Vim without a configuration. Okay, no configuration. Okay, whatever. Control P. Control P doesn't work. So how come how come Control P works? There's no Control P here. There's no Control P here. Okay, there's so much fail here. Okay, prime gen.
Join this lobby. Welcome, Raiders. Join this lobby. We're gonna play a couple just to kind of test it, out. So just to kind of test it out. Wait, I just pressed up and it did go. Wait, why is it going to the left? Oh my goodness. Oh, move right. Oh my goodness, that's supposed to be that. There we go. Save and close. Dude.
Okay, so let me just round up my problems here. I got binds which I didn't even expect. Set RTP. What does that do? Got the largest runtime path known to man. Oh, is it because Control P is in my... Oh, does it just automatically source it? I didn't even know that. I got Vim Control P and my Neovim just automatically sourced it. I don't want it to do that, to be honest. What other crazy freaking plugins do I have installed that I didn't even know about? But if only I could type properly. Okay, let me uninstall Vim Control P, and then this nightmare should go away. Okay. What? Yes, now Control P doesn't work. That's what I wanted. Gustavo, I do use Chrome at the moment because I'm a loser, baby. I used to use Firefox, but something pushed me onto Chrome. Something pushed me to the edge. Who wants a croissant? Who wants a chocolate croissant? Okay, thanks for the runtime tip. I think I'm gonna go get breakfast now because I'm hungry. So, Tobias, do you think I should use Telescope instead of Control P? Why do I install Vim plugins with Pacman? I don't know. I just did, and I forgot about it, I guess. I didn't even know about it. Oh, there's a Hugo. What's the latest Hugo? Hugo release notes. Hugo News. A couple of bug fixes. Wow, that's so tame. Choco croissants. Yep. Hey, Peanut Gallery, where are you from, by the way? So let me read this chat. This chat is going faster than I could read, to be honest. I'm sorry if guys, if I missed your message, just send it again, please. Germany, bad drivers, Germany and Berlin. Yeah. Oh, I used to live in Berlin. Well, I spent summer there. I think drivers in Berlin are quite okay. There's not that many cars in Berlin, really. This is me. This is my time in Berlin. I climbed up a big building, an unfinished building, and watched the fireworks. That was quite a special New Year's Eve. Though I do feel a bit foolish for climbing a building because I almost slipped like 2 or 3 times while coming down, 12 stories or more, and my life flashed in front of my eyes a few times. But I mean, how incredible was this view? How incredible! Yeah, Tobias, did you tell me why I should be using? Yeah, I should. Should I be using Telescope instead of Control P? Germany have a half croissant, half pretzel things. Yeah, I don't remember that. I don't remember much. What did I end up eating in Berlin? I guess sausages. Oh man, I miss travel so much. Oh, CCC. I wonder if CCC is going to happen this year. CCC Berlin. Is CCC happening? Does anyone know if CCC is going to happen this year? In person, by the way. Screw the whole virtual Zoom events. I mean, I'm a YouTuber, I guess, but I just hate this stuff online. Just hate it. I want to meet some people in real life. Okay, I can't really tell if CCC is happening this year, but but okay, whatever. CCC was cool. Oh, here's some currywurst pictures. Yeah, I mean, it's just like sugar, isn't it? Sugar, sausage, caramelized. Chips are great. Ooh, and I miss mayonnaise. Holy crap, that mayonnaise looks nice. I'm getting hungry now. Mettbrötchen. What is that? Oh, that reminds me. Someone contacted me from the Frankfurt Lug asking, I'm going to Germany in Christmas, guys. Oh yeah, Mettbrötchen. I've had some of that. Brötchen. I've had Mettbrötchen. I love it. Oh, this is one of my favorite meals. I don't even know what this is called. It's like another Turkish thing. To be honest, I don't think I can live in Berlin in some ways because I've always lived on the coast and I'm a huge seafood kind of guy. And this is the best seafood you can get in Berlin. Basically, not that good. Yeah, I really like Mettbrötchen. So yeah, just so you guys know, I will be in a place called Wiesbaden for 10 days or something like that. This is where my cousin lives. So I'm flying into Frankfurt, I'm staying here. I got cousins here, and I got cousins quite far away in Siegen. So I'm probably going to be between here and there. If anyone lives around here, hopefully my wife will allow me to hang out with some nerds. But that's where I'm going to be. Maybe I even do something on the river. Who knows? I'm so desperate to get out of Singapore, to be honest. I'm going crazy here. Singapore's great, but I just need to get out. I mean, that's the whole point of Singapore, is that it's got a great airport, so you can just jump out of here. Okay, guys, I think I bored you enough. I need my brekkie. It's been a 1 hour. Thanks for tuning in. Toodle pip, bye. Like, whatever. Don't know. Don't like. Bye.